Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you the vehicle and some of the features. And then if you have any additional questions or want to learn anything else, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we've got a blue exterior and a beige interior. Got this nice wood grain accent trim, heated seats, both driver and passenger, power memory seats here on the driver's side. Also the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system throughout. Steering wheel here. And go and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 20,436. With a push-button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing radio, backup camera, and you can control it using the touchscreen itself. If you want to, for example, adjust your ambient lighting here in the vehicle, you can easily do that here within the touchscreen. You also have controls here on your steering wheel, so you can easily make those same adjustments. And then a touchpad here in your center console. Again, you can push down to select and whatnot. Okay, below our display we have our climate controls here. You've got buttons here to access some different functions on your display system. Here we have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. Got a USB connection, cup holders. In addition to your touchpad here, we've also got our dynamic here select switch, so you can switch between different sport, comfort, individual, sport plus. This will affect how the vehicle handles out there on the road. Okay, go ahead and hop out, show you a few other things. So, rear seats. Another look at the sunroof, both front and rear. Another quick peek back up front. Just love that wood grain accent trim, definitely really sharp. With the beige and black. Coming out of the back, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging. Got a rear window wiper, power opening and closing trunk. And if you need a little extra storage room, you can easily flip these switches here, and your seats flip right down. And push button to close. So if you're interested in getting additional information, or even setting up a test drive of this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.